हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। एंड आज का वीडियो एक बहुत ही अमेजिंग टॉपिक के ऊपर है, एंड दैट इज़ एक्सेप्टिंग डुअलिटी। नाउ मैंने कुछ साल पहले अपने कोचेस से इस कॉन्सेप्ट के बारे में पढ़ा था या सुना था या सीखा था, मैं बोलूँगी, जिसमें उन्होंने बोला था कि दिस 3D वर्ल्ड, जो वर्ल्ड है ना, वो एग्जिस्ट करता है डुअलिटी में। फॉर एवरी फेलियर देर इज़ अ सक्सेस, फॉर एवरी लॉस देर इज़ अ लव, love versus loss, abundance versus lack, loss versus gain, failure versus success। तो ये जो वर्ल्ड है ये डुअलिटी में एग्जिस्ट करता है। तो ग्रो सो मच इन योर लाइफ कि यू कैन से दैट you accept loss in your life, you love loss in your life as much as you love love in your life। he was trying to make all of us understand कि जो भी चीज एग्जिस्ट करती है, पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव, सिर्फ हमें पॉजिटिव की तरफ नहीं जाना है बल्कि दोनों को एक्सेप्ट करना है इन आवर लाइफ। टू एक्सेप्ट द लॉसेज ऑल्सो विथ ग्रेस, टू एक्सेप्ट फेलियर ऑल्सो विथ ग्रेस, टू एक्सेप्ट लैक ऑल्सो विथ ग्रेस, टू एक्सेप्ट इट। बट उन लोगों के बारे में बस सोचिए जो कोई एक ड्रीम है उनके लाइफ में, सिर्फ एक ही ड्रीम है एक लाइफ उनकी लाइफ में जो अभी उनके लिए सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है, मतलब 100% इम्पोर्टेंट अभी उन्होंने उसी ड्रीम को दे रखा है। एंड देन जब आपको मैं बोलूँगी कि ड्रॉप दैट ड्रीम एंड से दैट कि आई लव माई सेल्फ और आई लव माई लाइफ विथ दिस ड्रीम और विदाउट दिस ड्रीम, तो कैसा लगेगा आपको? देर इज अ फीलिंग फॉर मैनी पीपल सच दैट लाइक दैट कि इफ वो ड्रीम अगर उनकी लाइफ में पूरा नहीं होगा तो दे डू नॉट वांट टू एक्चुअली लिव, दे डू नॉट वांट एनीथिंग इन देयर लाइफ। एक ही चीज है। तो फॉर उन सारे लोगों के लिए और मेरे उस यंगर वर्जन के लिए जो उस समय प्रैक्टिस कर रही थी लेकिन आई वॉज नॉट एबल टू प्रैक्टिस that, saying I was not at all comfortable in saying that even if this doesn't happen in my life I'm okay, I was not at all comfortable। true, मैं सच बोल रही हूँ, 100% सच बोल रही हूँ। I was not comfortable in saying that I am comfortable in not having that in my life जो मुझे सबसे ज्यादा चाहिए था, because somewhere in my heart is like this is, I'm meant for this, I'm meant for this। so I was not able to say that time. Now, after learning law of assumption, after learning so many other things through Neville Goddard sir, through Joe Dispenza sir, learning so many things, I have understood what does it mean to accepting duality। एक्सेप्टिंग डुअलिटी जस्ट मीन्स कि उन सारे डुअलिटी को जो ये वर्ल्ड में एग्जिस्ट करती है उनको एक्सेप्ट करो इन योर 3D। मतलब कि राइट नाउ I don't have it and I accept that. It's okay, I don't have it. Right now, in my 3D, I don't have my desire, and that's 100% fine. Because, anyways, you don't have the desire right now, right? अभी आपके पास नहीं है तो it's okay. In 3D, it's 100% okay to not have your desire, where you can't see your desire, because actually you can't see your desire. It's okay to not see your desire in your 3D. ओके, बिकॉज जब मान लीजिए एक पर्सन है जो कि बहुत ज्यादा परेशान है अपने मनी एरियाज को लेकर, ठीक है, एंड ही इज नॉट एबल टू मेक मनी, नो मैटर व्हाट ही डज, ही इज ऑलवेज फोकस्ड इन लैक। मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है, मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है, मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है, अरे पैसे आएंगे तो मैं ये कर पाऊंगा, पैसे आएंगे तो वो कर पाऊंगा, एंड ही इज ऑलवेज फोकस्ड इन लैक 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 लैक, एंड ही इज ऑलवेज इन टू दैट मोड। So now when he is 100% focused in lack, so what is he creating? He is creating lack. Secondly,
when he is resisting his lack situation, is creating more of it.
मतलब कि जब वो रेजिस्टेंस क्रिएट करता है कि वाई आई एम ऑलवेज इन लैक, वाई मनी नेवर स्टेज इन माई लाइफ, क्यों मेरे लाइफ में मनी स्टे नहीं करती, वाई आई एम नॉट एबल टू मेक मनी, वाई वाई ऑल टाइम इज लैक लैक हमेशा, वाई। सो this is a point where he is trapped into what is he is resisting is persisting in his life। so in your life also, if you are resisting some situation, if you are resisting some people, if you are resisting some circumstances outside of you, then it will keep persisting in your life. If you keep saying to yourself, I don't like this, why is this happening this way, I don't like this, I don't want to feel this anymore, I do not want to feel this lack, I do not want to feel this loneliness, Why am I feeling this? So more you are resisting the feeling or resisting the circumstances, the more it is persisting in your 3D. So accepting duality doesn't mean कि ये end of the world है, that you are accepting the loss or you are accepting the failure forever in your life. No, you are not doing. You are accepting that yes, for the matter of the fact, in 3D I have failed, and that's fine. That's fine. It's okay. I have failed, but I will try again and I will pass. This is very simple. I'll try again and it will happen, because that is the point where law of assumption works. In 3D, you are accepting the failure, you are accepting the loss, you are accepting the lack, and you're not allowing the lack, loss, or failure to impact you. ठीक है? You're not allowing any of the negative circumstances, negative feeling to impact you. When you are not impacted by those feelings and circumstances, then only you have that ability, and then only you have that, you know, power to create in your 4D. Creating in your 4D, we all knows what 4D is. 4D is that imaginal 99.99% of the world, energy world, that we cannot see through our eyes, we cannot perceive it through our senses. The 4D is a world where you can go just by doing meditations and relaxing your body. The more you relax your body and more you focus on your pure consciousness, where you go into nobody, no person, no thing, nothing. You are not this body, you're not this circumstances, you're not this world. The physical world is completely shut off, and you are gone into that meditative state where you become nobody. Nobody, no place, no space, no time. You become completely nothing. Nothing zone. After going to that zone, when you create from that nothingness, because everything has emerged from that nothingness, everything that we can see right now has come from that nothingness. So when you go into that nothingness, and then there, when you create whatever you want in your life, whatever I'm saying, whatever, whatsoever you want to see and whatsoever you want to feel, you just have to tell yourself that I have already have this, and I am feeling extremely loved, abundant, joy in my heart, because I have this. I and create that feeling at that moment of meditation, at that moment. Then no matter no matter what 3D shows right now in your 3D, whatever it shows, it doesn't matter, because when you practice it enough times, your desire, your dream will come to process, will come in your 3D, will come in front of your eyes, and you will feel really, really powerful after that. If you do it once or twice and you get the result, I am definitely sure that you will feel so extremely powerful that once or twice when it will happen, you will feel that this was a coincidence. No, it cannot happen because I have done that. You will feel that that is a coincidence, because this is so magical now, that you feel that this is not done by me, this is some coincidence that happened, it is not my creation. But when you do it 5 to 6 times for any simple small thing or any big thing that you want in your life, then you will understand that you are the creator and nobody else outside of you. Nobody else is creator other than you. So accepting duality means accepting duality in your 3D, except because it does not have to affect you in a negative way. If you are again affected in a negative way, then you lost the power of creating anything in your 4D. You lost the power of creation. So first thing first, do not resist, because the more you resist, the more it persists. Any feeling, any circumstances, let it be. Accept the duality. Say, I am comfortable for not having this right now in my life. I am comfortable. It's okay. It's okay. 3D doesn't show it. It's fine. Definitely fine. And then create in your 4D. Because law of assumption, and Neville Goddard sir says simple one line, that is, assume the feeling of wish fulfilled and live in the end. Living in the end simply means to have that desire. Start if you're feeling worried or worked up, your body is constantly living in 3D. you can't see your desire. Say that it's okay, I can't see it right now, I can't see it. Go into that meditative state, create that emotion, create that circumstances, feel it fully, and then when you open your eyes, say that I have it, I have it, and and be in that state of wish fulfilled for most of that 51% time of the day, so that you can actually create or bring that desire into your life. So this was all about the post. I love you all, and I hope you got some benefit out of it. Thank you so much for listening. I love you all. Bye.